Jaden, can you show Daddy what you do with the grapes? Go get a grape from Mom and show me what you do with the grapes. What do you do with the grapes? Just one. Can you show me what you do? What do you do with the grapes? You drop them, then you pick them up. And you throw them in the fire. Oops, that one came back out. Come on, get in there, little grape. Then you eat them?
So he created a saint. Yes. Why did you give him his keys back? Because for one, it's not, I didn't believe it was his wife's had the car. He gave it to me as a gift. Well, tell me how he gave it to you as a gift. Let's hear that. We've had met and gone out a couple times.
Good one. Hooray!